Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video we will understand a program to find out whether the number is even or odd. Let's start with this code blocks empty file. So I'll go for file, new and empty file. So first of all we will start with our header file, that is hash include stdio.h, that is standard input output header file with a .h extension. Let's start with the integer main function, as main function is very much important because it considered as an entry point of any C program execution. Now here I'll declare one integer variable, integer number. You can give any name of your choice. I'll go for integer number. Now I have to take this number from user, so I'll first of all print one line by using printf function like enter the number. See, I'm writing a line enter the number. So printf will be used to print anything on the output screen. Now if user entered that value, I have to scan it. That means I have to read the same value from keyboard. So I'll use a scanf function. As the value will be in integer format, so it requires a placeholder as a %d. So %d is a placeholder to read any integer number. Ampersand number. So ampersand number will allocate the given number same to the memory location of integer variable number, which we have declared. Next I'll use if else loop. If else is a type of loop in C language. Now if the condition returns true, then the statements inside written in the if body will get executed and statements inside the body of else will get skipped. If it returns false, then the statements inside the body of if are skipped and statements inside the body of else will get executed. Now here I'll write down a condition, that is number will be modulo operator of 2 equals to 0, and inside if I'll come down, I'll open one more bracket and I'll write down print f. In that I'll provide %d again is even number comma number, again here we'll go for else, then we will type printf again. Inside that I'll write down %d is an odd number comma number, semicolon, and written 0. So we don't need this right now. So here I have used one new operator, that is modulo operator or modulus operator. We can see over here I have used in a if condition. So it is an arithmetic operator which we can call as a division operator, which will produces the remainder of an integer by using the division, which will produces a remainder when x is divided by y. So it will be like the number will get divided by 2, and if it is equal to 0 0, that means it will get divided fully, and if it is divisible by 2 in a full way, then that number will be called as a even number. And here I have given a condition for if loop. If it is true, then this will get executed, and if the condition will false, then this else block will get executed. So this way we have written one if else loop, and we have understood the modulus operator, and then we will check whether the number is odd or even. So before going for a further procedure, let's just save this as save file as, we can say even or .c. .c is the most important extension. So I have written, we need to provide some space over here like this. And now we will build this by using here. Building in program will convert the program into machine level language. So we have one error, that is the extra one. So I'll delete this. I'll again build this. As soon as build finished with 0 errors, we are good to go for running this. So here you will see you have to give number, any number. So I'll go for a 6 and let's check. So 6 is even number, it is showing because it is completely divisible by 2. So it is considered as a even number. Now let's just check one more time for any odd number. I'll provide 9 and then click enter. So it is showing that 9 is an odd number because it is not properly fully divisible by 2. So the program directly goes to the else block and it will show the number is an odd number. So this way you can find out whether the number is even or odd by using a simple if else loop and a modulus operator. I hope you understood today's program. If there are any doubts, please let us know. Thank you.